Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Priscilla Asade, teacher. Today I am going to teach you English grammar. Yes. In last lesson what we have finished, students? Yes, we have finished with lesson number 8, that is nouns number. In that, students, I have only explained you. I have not taken any of the exercise. So students, today we are going to solve all the exercise, that is A, B, C, D, E. So before I start my exercise, I will just revise what we have learned in nouns number. Okay. So students, your Fun with Grammar book is with you. Okay. Keep pencil, eraser and scale too with you. So ready? So I will take a recap what we have learned in nouns number. So what we have learned in nouns number? Yes. In nouns number, there are two types of nouns, that is singular noun and plural noun. So what is singular noun, students? What was the definition? Yes, singular noun is nothing when noun stands for one person, place, animal or thing. That is a singular noun. For example, I have taken girl, boy and all that. And in plural noun, what is plural noun? When noun stands for more than one person, place, animal or thing. That is plural noun. And afterwards I taught you how you have to found plural nouns, and I have taught you 10 ways in that how to form a plural nouns. So just a short recap I will take of how we have to form a plural noun. Yes, when we have to form plural noun, first thing is that we have to add s to a noun. Okay. The next is when the nouns ends with s, x, sh, ch, that time and o, that time we have to add es to the noun. The third one was that when a noun ends with y and before that y there is a consonant, so that time we are going to add es. Next thing was that when a noun ends with y and before that there is a vowel, so we are going to add only s. And then afterwards I taught you that if a noun ends with fe, so that time what you are going to do, students? Yes, I am going to add, instead of y I will drop that y and I am going to add ves. But for some of the nouns it does not follow that rules. So what was that words? Chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, proof, proofs. And then again I taught you that if a noun ends with o, we are going to add es, but for some of the nouns it doesn't follow that rule. What were that words? Yes, that was photo, photos, radio, radios, piano, pianos. And then next I taught you that there are some plural nouns which does not change in, there are some nouns, singular noun, which does not change in plural noun. What were that words? Yes, aircraft remains aircraft in plural form also. Then sheep, sheep, fish, fish, deer, deer. These words does not change in the plural form. Then again I gave you some 8 words which you have to learn in. That 8 words, hope so students you have learned. These words they don't change in the plural form. Then again I taught you that there are some nouns which are always used in plural form. What were that 4 words? Yes, that were scissors, trousers, spectacles and socks. And the last one was that some nouns are always used in singular form. What was that? Furniture and news. These were all the rules which I taught you in the last session of lesson number 8, that is nouns number. Now students, today what we are going to do? We are going to solve all the exercise, that is A, B, C and D. Hope so students you are having pencil and eraser in your hand. Open page number 26 in your Fun with Grammar book. Ready students? Okay, so page number 26. So So are you ready, students? See, you have to read properly the instructions which is given, and along with me you have to solve. It will hardly take a second to circle and underline whatever things we are doing. So ready, students? Okay. So what is the exercise A? They have told that you have to circle the singular nouns and underline the plural nouns. Now what is singular nouns? Only one person, place, animal or thing, and plural nouns means more than one person, place, animal or thing. Now in the given sentence you have to recognize what is singular noun and what is plural noun. So where you will find singular noun, that you have to circle it, and where you will find plural noun, that you have to underline it. Now we will start with our first example. What is first? Two boys were playing in the park. Now what you have to do? Circle the singular noun. So where is singular noun over here? Yes. So what you are going to do? Circle the singular noun. And what you are going to do? Underline the plural noun. What is plural over here? Yes, boys. Understood, students? Okay. Next, my right foot hurts. Now foot is what? Yes, it is a singular noun. So I am going to circle it. Third, the oxen were standing in front of the gate. Oxen is what? Plural. So oxen. So oxen is plural. So what I am going to do? I am going to underline the plural. And gate is singular. So I am going to circle it. Now the men wore white shirts and the women wore white dresses. So plural noun is underline. So men, shirts, women and dresses. So here, students, you can't find any of a singular word. Next, fifth, the boxes were kept in one corner of the room. Now here, what is singular and what is plural? Boxes is what? Plural. So I am going to underline the plural, and singular is corner and room. So I am going to circle corner and room. So like this, students, along with me you have to do it. Hope so till 5 example you have finished. Sixth, girls of our school will participate in the competition. Again I will repeat, girls of our school will participate in the competition. So underline the plural nouns. Okay. School is singular and competition is also a single competition is there. So I am going to circle that competition. Next, seventh, bring tomatoes, potatoes and mangoes from the market. So tomatoes is what? Yes, that is plural noun. So I am going to underline tomatoes. Potatoes, again plural, underline. Mangoes, plural. Market is singular. So I am going to circle the market. Now the cat ran after the mice. So cat is singular. Mice is mouse, mice. Next, now you do, students. Ninth, the leaves of the tree have become yellow. Okay, you can see here plural is leaves and tree is singular. So I am going to circle tree. Many sheep are grazing in the field. Okay, so sheep is singular over here. So I am going to circle. Okay, many sheep are grazing in the field. Field is singular, so I am going to circle field. But here if you see, many sheep they have told, means it has become a plural over here. So I am going to underline the sheep. So understood students about A, what we have done? Yes, we have circled the singular nouns and underlined the plural nouns. Now we will move on to B exercise. Read the instruction what they have given you. So ready students with exercise B? What is given over here? Only you have to select the correct form of nouns and you have to just put it in the blanks. Now look here student, what is the instruction given over here? Fill in the blanks with the correct form of nouns. I have bought 2 dash from the bookstore. Now here students, I am not going to write that words in the blanks. What I am going to do, I am only going to just tick whichever is the correct one, so that afterwards you can write over here. Now I have bought 2. 2 is what? Plural. So which word I will take? Book or books? Yes, I am going to take books. So what is the answer over here? Books. So I will just tick. You should also do it in your book. Afterwards you just write over here like this, books. 2 books. So you have to just see whatever word is before the dash. According to that you have to select the proper noun to fill the blanks. Okay. Now my mother is using a dash to cut the vegetable. Now here you can see a. Your mother or our mothers, they can't take at a time knives. Yes or no? They will take a knife. So what is the answer? Yes. Answer is knife. Just tick it knife. Afterwards you write over here. Third, the tailor has kept the dash on the table. Now according to our rule, scissors is never in a singular form. It is always in a plural form. So which word I am going to use? Yes. Which noun I am going to write over here? Scissors. Fourth, the 2 dash are playing in the garden. Now here more than one is there. That is 2. So which word I am going to do? Child or children? Yes. What is the plural form of child? That is children. So you have to just put the children in that blank. Fifth, my new house has many dash room or rooms. Yes. What is the word over here? Many. So which word I will select from that 2 nouns? Yes, I am going to select rooms. Understood how you have to fill it? Okay. We'll come on to page 27. Okay. Ready students with page number 27? Chalo, you solve on your own 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now a cricket dash is going on in London. So cricket is what? A single match they are talking. It is not talking about more than one match. So match. Okay. Next. Several dash of our classroom are broken. Several means they are talking about many. Bench or benches? Yes, it is benches. Five dash are kept on the table. Now 5 is what? Singular or plural? Yes, it is a plural. So which word I am going to take? That is glasses. 5 glasses on the table. Next, did you brush your dash today? So obviously we are going to brush our teeth. We are not going to brush our only one tooth. So what is our answer? Teeth. last. Shift the dash from this drawing room to this room. Again I'll repeat. Shift the dash from the drawing room to this room. See here students, you can see two words, furniture and furniture. As we have learned in our last rule that furniture is always in a singular form. So what is our answer? Furniture. So what is our answer last? Furniture. So understood what we have done in the B part? Okay. Now students will move on to C. That is, write the plural form of the nouns given in brackets. Now here we have to form the plural form of whichever word is given in the bracket. Okay. Are you ready students? Okay. Means the words in the bracket. Can you see here some words are given over here? These words are in which form? Yes, they are in singular form. We have to make it in plural form according to the rules which I have taught you. So ready? The dash of the tree have dried up. Now here which noun is here? Leaf. So the noun ends with F. So when a noun ends with F, so what you have to do? You have to drop that F and you have to add VES. So what will be our answer? L-E-A-V-E-S. So the leaves of the tree have dried up. So students only have to stress on the nouns which is given in the bracket. So next, the roof. Yes, the roof. This does not follow the rule. So our answer is the roofs. I have told you that there are some words which don't follow the rules. Okay. Now the dash are playing in the garden. So child. What is the plural form of child? Yes, I have told you to learn that. Yeah, it is not childs. It is answer is children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Now his dash tooth have decayed. What is the plural form of tooth? Yes, it is teeth. Next. Now the dash of Jammu and Kashmir are beautiful. Now students, look at this noun. What you can see over here? Yes, you can see the noun ends with Y. Now before this Y you have to see whether it is a vowel or a consonant. Now E is what students? Yes, it is a vowel. So we are going to only add S. So what is my answer? Valleys. V-A-L-E-Y-S. Next, the dash fairy were trapped by the witch. Here also you can see the noun ends with Y. So what we will see? So before that vowel, is it before this Y, is it vowel or consonant? This R is what? Consonant. So if consonant is there, what is the rule? What we are going to do? Yes, we are going to drop that Y and we are going to add IES. Now, seventh, the dash are herbivorous animals. Now, here also I have told you there are some words which don't change. So, the deer remains as it is. Deer. Hope so students, you are copying along with me. Yes, eighth. The dash mouse ate all the cheese in the tin. What is the plural form of mouse? Yes, if you have learned all that 8 words, in that it is there. Mouse means, plural form of mouse is mice. So understood students till here how I have done the plural forms, how I have turned it into plural forms by following the rule. So whenever any noun is given and you have to make it in a plural form, you have to follow all the rules which I have taught you in the previous session. Now last, that is D. Okay, are you ready students for solving D? Okay, it is opposite which we have done in this exercise. Here in this we have done write the plural form. Now what we are going to do over here? Yes, D. It is we are going to write the singular form of the nouns given in the bracket. This means that whatever nouns is given over here, that is in which form? Yes, it is in plural form. Okay, so what I am going to do? I am going to turn it into a singular form, applying the rules which we have learned. So are you ready, students? Okay, so one by one we are going to solve. D. Write the singular form of the nouns given in brackets. The dash donkeys lost its way. So what is the singular of donkeys? Yes, it is donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. So what is the form of singular form of donkeys? Donkey. Now the dash babies played in the court. What is in the bracket? Which plural is that? Babies. And see here what is given over here? IES. And this IES is in which rule? When the noun ends with Y. So in singular form what is the answer? Yes, it is baby. B-A-B-Y. Okay, third. Now you tell me what will be the answer of third. The dash needed repair. What is in bracket? Which plural is that? Benches. So how we are going to make it in singular? You have to cut that ES. So what will be the answer? Bench. B-E-N-C-H. So what is the singular of benches? Bench. Fourth one. The ladies came in a carriage. Now the ladies. So here IES is there. So how it is come? How it has come? When a noun ends with Y, that time we are making it, we are dropping that Y and we are adding IES. So in our answer, what will be the answer? The lady. L-A-D-Y. The lady came in a carriage. Now students, can you see donkey, baby, bench and lady? They are all in singular form. Next, the dash birds flew over the garden. Now here what you can see, in which form it is? Plural. You have to make it in singular. So only I am going to cut S. So my answer is bird. Okay, sixth one. So tell me students, what will be the answer when IES is there in the noun? Yes, I am going to add Y. I am going to cut that IES. So the dash fought bravely. And what is in the noun? Armies. So what is the singular form of armies? Army. The dash finished his lunch on time. Now here we can see children. So children is a plural form, and what is the singular form for children? Yes, it is child. So the dash was lost. What is in bracket? Which plural form it is? Diaries. And again we will say IES is there. So it is in which noun? When the noun ends with Y, that time the plural form turns into IES. So what will be the plural form for diaries? Yes, singular form for diaries? Diary. So student, in this way we have finished all the 8 examples over here of exercise D. Students, see here, we have solved everything now, and hope so you have copied in your book. Next, What is there? We have to revise. Nothing is there. What is there? Singular noun and plural noun, which we have learnt in the last session. Singular noun means only one and plural noun means more than one. So students, hope you have completed all the exercise which we have done from exercise A, B, C, D and E. In this I have solved all the examples in front of you. Only for B, exercise B, what I have done, in the bracket I have ticked the answers. What you have to do, students? You have to put whichever noun we have ticked, that noun you have to fill in the blanks now itself when the session is over. And everything C and D also we have finished. If you have any doubts, you can ask me afterwards. So students, hope so you have understood the lesson number 8, that is nouns number, in a very clear way. And if you have to understand in detail, what you have to do, students? Yes, you have to learn all the rules which is given in page number 23, 24 and 25. And along with that, what you have to do? You have to learn the definition also, which is on page number 23 in a pink block. So continuously again, if you want to solve, just go through all the rules and you have to learn that all that 8 words which I have told you, that is child, children, ox, oxen, that you have to learn that 8, because there is no rules for that plural form. So hope students you have understood lesson number 8 very nicely. Thank you. Have a good day.